flip to be rust.
How to stand up.
Yeah. Oh, gonna look like a crocodile. We got quick learn. Slowly. Don't trust Bali boy.
Hi guys, Judy here from Philippines. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, I'm here in Bali and today we will try surfing because Bali is one of the famous place for surfing. So let's try it. It's just like can beginners learn surfing here in Bali? It's just like Bali is good for surfing, so let's go. So here in Bali guys, the funny thing is they don't know that I am Filipino, so they feel like I am local. Hi sir! Do I look like local sir?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Asian people, yeah?
Sorry?
Like Asian people.
Yeah, Asian. This is Gojek, right? Like Grab, but it's different.
Yes, different local.
Local service. Yeah.
Local service.
It's nice here because people also can speak English.
Yes, just little bit learning.
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm good. I will try surfing today.
Oh, nice.
This is my first time to try surfing, so I'm a bit like nervous.
Relax.
Yes. Yesterday I tried to practice to ride on bike, but it's really hard because the road here is small. So this is Bali, Indonesia, Canggu. So as you can see, like rice field. Well, here in Bali, they have a lot of restaurants to eat, like Indonesian local food and also Asian food and some international restaurants. So, and it's really good actually. Like for example, like oat shake, it's like real fruits and all. And then they have also like mini mart, like everything they have here. Yeah, they have like spa also, but it's like 90% here is foreigners, whereas the Indonesian people can find them. And then I just understand that because this is Bali, so a lot of foreigners, just villas, rice field, car also. But for car, it's not good here because heavy traffic. So if you have car, it's not recommended to have car here. Just a bike, motorcycle, it's okay.
With the Gojek.
Yeah, Gojek. So for me, for someone who don't know how to ride a bike, Gojek is the key. How much is it? 12,000 for 10 minutes.
3,000 back.
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, take care. So now guys, I'm already here. So this place is called Batu Bolong. They have a lot of surfing board here. So this one, it's like a lot, you can choose. And today, let's meet Hi Bong.
Hi, Bonke.
Yeah.
From Jamaica.
From Jamaica, who speaks German. He's our teacher for today. For beginner is the blue one.
Yes.
Okay, so today I will use this one. Okay.
Very good, already good develop and use hard work.
Ah, so if like I'm good already, I will use this hard. Oh, but it's like it's so dangerous, right? No? Yeah, this one. Oh my goodness.
Different level softer. It's more like this.
Ah,
Different, look.
yeah, yes. That's one. Okay, I'm not ready for today.
Yeah, not ready. Oh, I'm not ready. I am ready.
I'm scared.
It's okay, we're small.
Okay.
I'll look after you.
Okay, okay.
Go to changing room.
I'm ready. Just kidding.
Want shirt?
Okay.
You have?
No.
Oh, you have.
Ah, really? Wow. Like the smallest one?
Batu bolong.
What is that?
It's my logo.
Batu Bulong.
Red
Oh,
top
wow. That's cool.
This is all your stuff. I put you back as well.
Ah, okay. This is front. Okay. Thank you.
So how to protect yourself from the wave while
Okay.
you pedal out to the line up. First, while you jump on your board, put your belly here
Uh-huh.
and then slide on with your toe.
Ah, there.
Ah,
Not too much. Not
not too much at the back, backward, not so much forward.
okay.
Ah. While you lay down, always keep up your pace.
Uh-huh.
And your chin, look forward. Really short. When you pedal, keep stable and steady. Not going in a rush. Just feel deeper. And then put it back.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. It depends on the situation. If you need to be rushed, then you have to be
Okay.
really. Don't shake your body too much. Don't open your feet.
Ah, okay.
Otherwise, you're gonna look like a crocodile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Always close your feet together.
Always close the feet.
Yeah. And then now protect yourself from the white walls
Mm-hmm.
in front of the face.
Mm-hmm.
Like when the distance coming like 5 meters in front of you,
Yeah.
make speed first, and then faces them.
Uh-huh.
Like slide ahead, like 12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Then up your chest, between it,
Uh-huh.
breath your breath, and then doing like this, like cobra position,
Oh.
and you're gonna pass the wave.
Ah, to pass the wave, you do
Yeah.
that like that.
And
Okay.
you go to pedal out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
how to protect yourself. If it's way too big, you can do flip in.
Mm-hmm.
So keep hold the rail,
Mm-hmm.
and then you hide it on the water when the wave pass already, and then put it back, and then start breathing.
Really?
Calmly, yeah. And then pedal again.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's how big. But now today is a smaller day,
Yeah.
so easier for you. For
Really? It's still that easy?
yeah. Today
Okay.
is smaller.
Okay.
Yeah, it's perfect. Man.
Okay.
Yeah, now I have to stand up.
How to stand up? I
Yeah.
wanna learn that, how to stand up.
Have you tried the snowboarding, skateboard?
No.
The way you stand up? There is two options. There is booty footer and regular footer.
Mm-hmm.
Which way are you? This called regular footer.
Uh-huh.
This way, regular.
Yeah.
You try to stand up, I'm gonna yelling at you, up! When you get speed enough, when you board already try like this, that's the point you have to stand up.
Ah.
Up! Remember, between your chest, once,
Mm-hmm.
twist your hip,
Ah.
up,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
lower,
Lower.
yeah, don't put your body straight up
Yeah.
directly. Now try practice. Show me the way how to pedal first. Yeah, that's enough. Up your chin, up your breast, look forward there. Yeah, exactly. No need to be rushed. Slowly, gently, yeah. You know, feel deeper on the water. Yeah, yeah. Exactly. And then now the way how to stay up. Up. Yeah. Left it. Yeah. Too much. Don't too much. Slide in a bit here. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. One more time. Without telling you. Remember? Pedal up. Yeah. Yeah.
So that's it, guys. We're ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready? So, how many hours? 2 hours? Oh, 2 hours, my goodness.
Hey,
How was it?
how many waves do you catch
I don't
for
know.
the first day? Quite a lot, huh?
3 or more?
More. He was quick learn, but sometimes she can be silly,
And also,
being lazy to paddle back because he was
Yeah.
right long wave.
actually my favorite part, oh my god, my eyes so hurt. My favorite part is every time I get a gojik.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go
it's my
check paddle by his coach.
And also,
That's right here, get fresh water.
how many days your day here? 5 days already. How was it? Good?
Getting better.
Yeah. It's getting better. This is his 5 days. This is my first day with Coach Bong.
Bong si bong.
Bong si Bong! He's my favorite coach here in Bali because he can be a free paddle. I'm a good student, lazy student.
Lazy student. So you got quick learn.
Oh, quick learn, but lazy to go back.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come back again.
Yes,
My
of
channel.
course.
Channel Batu Bolong.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much. It was so fun.
Thank you for coming.
So now it's time to go home. I'm so... that's my coach. So this is Bali Boys. How to act as Bali Boys, coach.
Don't trust Bali boy.
How is Bali Boys? Cool, cool.
Enjoy life. No
Okay.
drama and shit.
Alright. Alright.
Want a beer or coconut?
Beer. No. Yeah.
Cold? Okay.
Coconut. They have a lot of bars here, like Sunset Bar. You can enjoy a lot of drinks like fresh coconut, beer, etc. My first time and my experience here in Bali, like the surfing guys is really cool. I have some pictures, like there's some photographers who took pictures. I will get it later, and then probably I will post it on my social media, like maybe on Instagram or here in YouTube also. So I'll show you. My first time is really cool. My coach also is really cool. Like he's the one who always, grab me when like I'm so tired. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So for my next vlog, just stay tuned. For my next vlog, I'll probably go to Ubud, to Monkey Forest, to temple, and somewhere in Ubud Market. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much. And if you have any question or want to see here in Bali, just comment down below. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye.
Thanks for watching.